you do that roller coaster, buddy? Where are you going? Hold on, Gracie. Hold on, I'm going to watch. Alright, Gracie, let's see. Alright, go ahead. And Jacob, I want to see you do the roller coaster. What you doing, buddy? Alright, let's see. Watch out, Jacob. Jacob, move the hoop. Hey, Jake. Can you climb up the castle? Look, bud. Jacob, come here. Jacob, can you climb up this castle? Yeah, you're right. I don't think you could do it. I don't think you could do it.
Mommy, can you bring the hula hoop up with my hand?
Sure. What do you want to do with it?
I'll show you.
Okay. Go ahead. Whoa! Silly. Well, hi, buddy.
I climbed.
You climbed it? Let's see.
In the hill.
You did it.
In the hill.
Do you need help?
Yeah.
Let me see. Stand up. Stand up tall. Good job.
I always try to keep it still.
Whoa, great job, kiddo.
I better show Daddy.
Yeah. Whoa, you did a great job. All right, Jake, go down the slide. Okay. Whee! Whoa.
Mama, watch. Mama.
What?
Watch. You take this off for me because it keeps her in my face.
Sure. Jacob. Jacob, how do you...
I did it.
Good. Jacob, how do you work the roller coaster?
Here, Mama.
Hold on. Jacob, Gracie's standing in it. Grace, get out of the green one, okay? Jacob, how do you do the roller coaster, buddy? Let's see. I think it's gonna work. I think we're gonna run out of batteries. Hurry, buddy, hurry! We're gonna run out of batteries, hurry! Go fast! Go fast, buddy, hurry! Go, hurry! Jacob, go! Grace, move. Jacob, go! Hurry up, buddy, go! 1, 2, 3! Whee!